What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, we're going to talk about the P-Stake airdrop. Guys, the P-Stake token is what's going to be powering the P-Stake protocol. P-Stake is a DApp on Persistence 1, the XPRT blockchain. Anyways, guys, in this video, we're going to show you guys about the airdrop, who got elected, who won the rewards, and who is able to claim the airdrop. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. If you guys are unfamiliar with XPRT, it is basically a chain that is on Cosmos that is doing any and everything related to DeFi, even unlocking your staking. Guys, that is pretty fire sauce in my opinion. If you don't believe what I'm saying, just check out the video I made on XPRT so you guys can understand what junk is going on. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. TLDR, P-Stake is the governance and fee sharing token of P-Stake protocol. P-Stake, again, is built on the XPRT blockchain on Cosmos, built on Tendermint. P-Stake will be retroactively distributed with airdrops to early P-Stake users. So guys, if you're on the channel, subscribed, and watching the videos and using XPRT, you would have gotten this airdrop. XPRT and ATOM holders and stakers. ATOM! Yeah, I know, it's Adam, guys. But, dude, if you guys are on this channel, you would have made it for that as well. Persistence Cosmos Hub stake drop participants. Same thing, guys. Same junk, different day. The stake drop we did for Matic. We did it for Terra. We also did it for Kava as well. Of course, various DeFi token holders as well. So P-Stake, they've seen a lot of exciting developments, yada, yada, yada. So this is the retroactive airdrop breakdown. P-Stake early users, XPRT holders and stakers, Persistence Cosmos Hub stake drop campaign participants. Anyways, you guys get the point. I just repeated this. So this snapshot happened on September 2nd. So if you guys did not get in on that airdrop, that's okay. You can get in on the next airdrop. So you guys know what to do now. Please note, all snapshots have been taken. So don't just go out there and buy and just stake to expect to get this airdrop. But you can still buy and stake the token if you're bullish on the token. And check out my video on XPRT so you guys understand what it's all about. If you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for tuning in. 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, and leave a comment in that description below. Tell me what your guys' favorite DeFi project is. Let's go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 16, verses 2. All a person's ways seem pure to them, but motives are weighed by the Lord. That's so true, man. Like, what's your motive for doing something? Is it a good reason? Is it a bad reason? Is it selfish reasoning? Like, is it just any and everything for you? Just think about what your motives are. That's a pretty good concept to understand. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Gotta say thanks to the patrons: Sean Bott, Dawman, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Dago Nacho, Matthias, Matt There Is, DMC Codes, isn't that a band? Pork Rind, Aw Snap, Roslav Alexandrovich, don't mess with the Russian, boys. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bomb bomb. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.